In this video, we will show you how to make a necklace with recycled materials. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories. We recycle, upcycle, restyle, upstyle, reuse and repurpose. So if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please subscribe today. Please watch the video until the end so we can inspire you with our creations and how to combine them. Today, materials and tools are: this is a cord, ribbon, whatever we can call this is a elastic one. I've got some small embellished ribbons. This ribbon is recycled. I do have some small beads, which could be 3 to 4 millimeters. I've got acrylic 3D flowers. I do have cord ends, jump rings or open rings. I have got clasp, chain extension, our tools are scissors, lighter, got 2 pliers that I always use them, or almost always. I've got cutters, and also I've got glue and the cold glue gun with a glue stick. So this is our creation for today, which we have used recycled ribbon and some embellished ribbon, some flowers, some flat beads, and some beads. Thanks, and some smaller pearl beads as well. Thanks for watching. Stay humble and wonderful.